What are you remembering? The hurt, the pain, what didn't work out? Turn it around and remember your dream. The true mark of a champion is even though some dirt gets thrown on your dream, instead of letting it get buried, you keep shaking it off. You keep moving forward. You wouldn't be having that opposition if you didn't have something great in you. If your dream wasn't alive and on track, right on schedule to come to pass, you wouldn't have so many things coming against you. Can I tell you, your dream is not dead. It's just not in season. Your time is coming. These light afflictions are for a moment. The adversity is temporary. The glory is eternal. I'm asking you to remember your dream. Remember what God's promised you. If you'll do this, dreams that you buried are about to come back to life. Promises you've given up on are being resurrected. You're going to rise higher, accomplish your goals, and become everything you were created to be.